Time to tell you a story. And the title of my book today is A Dog on a Log. Can you say it after me? A dog on a log. And it's going to be an interesting story. Do you want to hear my story? Okay, so let's get started. On a beach by a tree sat my family and me. Then shouted a hog, "There is a dog on a log." A dog on a log? Well, how can that be? It must be saving that big, frightening flea. No, why would a dog be saving a flea? Especially in the water, on the branch of a tree. I couldn't believe what I saw happening next. Even that dog on a log was perplexed. The flea pulled on a rope and up came a boat. I will bet you can't guess what happened next. A flea family ran from the dog little toe. They got into the boat and began to row. Once on the shore, they ran through the sand over a cookie in my left hand. Right to the hog, that's where they went. They found a new home with an unpleasant scent. As for the dog, he's still riding the log. As for me, ouch, I think I have a plea. That is the end of my story. That is the end of my story. Did you enjoy the story? Did you enjoy the story? Okay. Can we say some names, some words from the story? Okay. Everybody say after me. Say dog. Dog. Log. Lag. Play. Unpleasant. Saints. Are you repeating it after me? That's good. Hog. Cookie. Shore. Shore. Sound. Boat. Roll. Toe. Rope. Say perplexed. Those words, make a voice note and send to me. All right. Bye. See you in the next story.